Okay, so in this video, we're going to see what happens when you're only given the difference between two parts of a ratio in a ratio question. So sometimes you are given the difference, and don't forget the difference means the gap between, okay? And we usually, to work that out, subtract. So the difference means the gap between two amounts. Again, I can really stress you to read the question carefully to decide whether the amount in the question represents the total, as we looked at in the first video, or part of a ratio, as we looked at in the second video, or in this case, the difference between two parts. So we're going to look at some worse examples together so you can see what I mean. So, question 1. David and Cameron share some money in the ratio 3:7. So again, some money, we don't know the total. Cameron gets £20 more than David. How much does David get? Now, same as always, we're going to draw our boxes. So David, because he's first, he gets 3 boxes because it's a 3 at the start. And Cameron gets 7 boxes. Now, here is where the box method comes in very handy. Because it says that Cameron gets £20 more than David. Now, if we look, Cameron has got 4 more boxes than David. And we can see that because there are 4 extra here. So these 4 boxes that Cameron gets extra represents £20. And that's what I mean by the difference between the two. Cameron has got 4 more boxes, and we are told in the question that's £20 more. So that means that those 4 boxes represent 20. And again, we could have worked out 4 by doing 7 take away 3 to work out the gap between those two things. So 7 minus 3 is 4. So we know that we're dividing £20 between 4 boxes, which is 5. And again, as normal, 5 goes in every box because the boxes are always the same. And then just double check what the question says. How much does David get? David gets 3 boxes with £5 in. So 3 times 5 is 15. So David gets £15. Okay, and one more example. Jack, Imran and Sally share sweets in the ratio 7:5:2. Given Sally gets 10 fewer sweets, so fewer means less, than Jack, work out how many sweets they shared altogether. So as always, we start off by drawing our boxes. So Jack goes first and he gets 7. Then Imran is next and he gets 5. And Sally is last and she gets 2. Now it says that Sally gets 10 fewer sweets than Jack. So we need to look at Sally and we can see that she has got 5 boxes less than Jack. Jack's got 7, Sally has got 2. So she's got 5 less boxes than Jack. Again, you could have worked that out by looking at the ratio. That's Jack, that's Sally. The difference between them is 7 minus 2, which is 5. So Sally gets 5 fewer boxes than Jack. And so that means that these 10 sweets are split across those 5 boxes that Sally doesn't have that Jack does. So we're doing 10 divided by 5 is 2. And that's the amount in each box. Okay. Again, go back to the question. Work out how many sweets they shared altogether. So you want the total number of sweets. So you want to know how many are in all the boxes altogether. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 boxes. You could have also worked that out by adding these up. So 14 boxes, and we're timesing it by 2 because that's how many are in each box. And you get 28 sweets. And that's that. So the main thing is that you need to read the question. And if the question tells you someone's got more than someone or less than someone, you know it's going to mean that that amount represents the difference, the gap between them. Okay, have a go at this question. Pause the video, do the working out, draw your boxes, and come back and see if you're correct. So Holly and Michael share some money in the ratio 7-4. Michael gets £18 less than Holly. So again, it's about the gap. Work out how much money they shared in total. So Holly gets 7 boxes. And Michael gets 4 boxes. It says that Michael gets £18 less. So look at how many boxes Michael's got and how many Holly's got. Michael has got 3 less boxes. Okay, and you could have got that also by doing 7 minus 4 to work out the gap between them. So Holly gets 3 boxes extra and Michael gets 3 boxes less. And it says that this £18 represents how much less Michael gets. So we're doing £18 divided by 3, which is 6. That means that there are £6 in each box. The question asks how much they shared in total. So you want to know how many is in all the boxes. So you would do 7 add 4 is 11, or you can just count them. And then we do 11 times 6 because there's 6 in each. And so in total, they've shared £66. Okay, that's that. Have a go at the worksheet and the exit card.